Welcome back. We're studying quadratics again, and we're going to try and do numbers 19, 20, 21, and 22. We may not get to it because there's a little more explanation involved in these. We're starting with number 19. Whoop. Marker malfunction. Number 19 it says, what are the roots of the equation given below? Now, you've probably not seen that word. What you're probably used to seeing is the x-intercepts. And if I spell that wrong, I'm not an English teacher. I'm sorry, but I think it's right. Anyways, what are the roots of the equation given below, or what are the x-intercepts? So anytime you have x plus 7 and we have x minus 4, the long way of doing it is to set them equal to 0. So you would say x plus 7 is equal to 0. Subtract 7, x is equal to negative 7. The quick and easy way is just to say, what are the opposites of these? Well, the opposite of a positive 7 is negative 7, and then the opposite of a negative 4 is a positive 4. Now, this is not an ordered pair, but I put the comma there. So it would actually be x is equal to negative 7, and x is equal to positive 4. And looking at that, that would be letter A. So whenever you see this relationship here, just think opposites. It's the x-intercepts we're looking for, and the opposites. What's the opposite of positive 7? What's the opposite of negative 4? We're going to jump down to number 20. And number 20 says factor this. Now, there's two different ways to get this answer. The quick and easy way is to look at your the visual here, and we have this is actually p plus 3 and p plus 3. Now, most of us, or some of us, may be saying, oh my goodness, that's a piece of cake. It's p plus 3 times p plus 3, right? Which is also known, or also can be written as p plus 3 squared, which is d. Now, for some of us that are not the visual type, let me get rid of this real quick. Oops, we got mini eraser going. You can factor this. And the quick and easy, or not really quick and easy, but the way you do that, you got p squared plus 6p plus 9. And we have to look for what gives us the factor sum. And for 9, you can do 3 times 3. 3 times 3. So you got 3 and 3. And when you add those together, you get 6. I'm sorry. And so that would give us p plus 3 and p plus 3, which is the same thing as that, which is the same thing as with that, which is that. I'm just having fun with the markers. I'm sorry. Hold on one second. We're going to move on. Okay, we're now going to jump to problem number 21. Problem number 21, there's 2 sentences in here. What I would do is read the first one to yourself, or, just read it clearly. The graph of the equation equals 2y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6, which is shown below. Then it says the window is, da-da-da-da-da-da. This portion right here is only to put into your calculator, so don't waste any time on that. If you're not using a calculator, don't worry about it. Just look at what they're telling you. So, 2 ways to solve this. We have y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. And again, we're going to do our factor sum. And if you have the negative here, but it's positive here, that means you're probably dealing with a negative. So we got -2, -3. When you add those together, you do get -5, but when you multiply them, you get a positive 6. But remember, you get x equals -2, x equals -3, but the solution, or the roots, or how do we make it 0, is a positive 2 and a positive 3. So that would be right here. But if you were to look strictly at the graph, the graph, the line comes down, goes through here, and if you wanted to blow that up and make it bigger, we have this was 2, this was 3, and the parabola comes down, goes like that, then it goes back to the, oh, I missed right there, but it crosses the x-axis at 2 and 3. So that's the visual way of doing that. We're not going to make it to number 22. We'll get that on the next video. Sorry, but again, if this is going fast, rewind it, watch it again, watch it again, watch it again. Please keep watching the videos, keep studying, and good luck.